So, next step for us is to create our canvas. Hanapin lang natin yung create design dito. Scroll down. Makikita mo dito si custom size. Make sure na yung unit nyo is naka-inches. Okay? So, 8.5. Create new design. Yan. So, meron na po tayong canvas. Ito yung tinatawag na canvas. Pwede natin to sigurong lagyan ng dino square coloring book. 8.5 by 8.5 inch, 24, at least 24 pages ang gagawin natin dapat. Ito yung coloring book natin. Meron tayong extra page na this coloring book belongs to. Okay, so this part is already one page. And the back of this part is page 2. This is page 3. Bawat isang page na ganito, isang page lang yung merong coloring elements. Okay? So, next page na naman tayo. Dito na naman siya. Hindi natin lalagyan yung likod.